This is BOXABL AR. The app allows you to tour a Boxabl Casita anywhere you want in the world. To tour your casita in AR, you simply download the BOXABL AR app, find a perfect place to place your casita. Today I'm going to place it in my front yard. Once you have a flat surface picked out, you go ahead and tap on the screen and your casita appears. And just to show you how true to form in terms of dimensions, size, the casita is in this AR experience, I'm going to go ahead and walk around the casita so you can see that. It's the actual size and dimensions of a real life casita. Let's go to the back so you can see the dimensions are perfectly exactly proportionate to an actual casita. So let's go ahead and tour the casita. This is the next best thing to actually having a casita in your backyard. With the Casita AR experience from BOXABL, the BOXABL Casita AR experience, you can walk into a casita, place it anywhere you choose in the world. So we're going to start with the living room, the living area. As you can see, nice and cozy. It's got a nice couch over here, a window behind the couch, and here you can just sit down, watch your TV with your bedroom on the other side. Again, great wall-to-wall window, bringing that inside-outside feel. Outside-inside feel to your living experience. To the left is my favorite part of the BOXABL Casita, the kitchen. It's got a nice air unit right above the window, black window frame, black sink, black hardware, ample cabinet space, as you can see that. Wall-to-wall cabinets. Again, ample countertop space. That's the breakfast nook right there. And as I turn around, you can see as I have enough space. Probably can fit two people side by side in the BOXABL Casita kitchen. Appliances, a dishwasher, stove, microwave, and a refrigerator. And let's go ahead and check out the bedroom where the magic happens. Again, as you can see, there is enough space right here. Just imagine laying in your bed with the TV turned around and having this wall-to-wall open experience. Beautiful. It's amazing. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. Beautiful sink. There's a mirror right there. Obviously it's an AR, so it cannot present a reflection, but that's going to be a mirror right in front of the sink. And again, you have another huge window right above that mirror. Black hardware. As you can see, the toilet is right here with enough space on both sides so you don't feel cramped, claustrophobic. There's so much space in this AR experience, and this space is exactly what you experience when you're in an actual BOXABL Casita. Let's get into the shower. And as you can see in the shower, again, ample room, ample space to get your shower on. I can turn around right in the shower and not feel claustrophobic whatsoever. Let's go ahead and step back into the main living area. So again, you have the bedroom, living room, and kitchen. So this is the actual spatial dimensions of a BOXABL Casita. If you cannot get to physically tour a BOXABL Casita, which I highly recommend, this is the next best thing to exploring and experiencing a casita in real life in the environment where you would like to have a casita placed. And if this convinces you, as I am already convinced, of the efficacy and the value of a BOXABL Casita, go ahead and push the reserve button on the top right of the screen, and that takes you immediately to the BOXABL website where you can fill out your information and reserve your very own BOXABL Casita. The first step to getting your BOXABL Casita placed anywhere you want it in the world in real life.